Thank you so much to the brand for sending me these high quality bar stools. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to assemble these. These were incredibly easy to assemble. The directions were clear and digestible. I'm first going to go ahead and grab the black base of the chair. Next, I'm going to grab the rod, but I have to uncap the black part until you see the red. Go ahead and stick it into the black base. Super easy. Next, we're going to grab the next section, which is the stand where you're able to rest your feet on. We're going to go ahead and attach that to the chair part, align it so that we can screw all 4 of those screws. And you want to make sure that the footrest is facing the right way, or else it can mess up your assembly. So you want to make sure that footrest is aligning with that chair. And then you're done. So simple, so quick and efficient. The ease of assembly is so convenient. The faux leather is incredibly smooth and easy to clean. Swivel so seamlessly, and they're incredibly lightweight for your kitchen.